Hello and welcome to Easy Tech Geek. Today in this video you will learn how to create Protonmail account in your PC. So let's get started. So you need to open Google Chrome. Once the Google Chrome is opened, open google.com and type Protonmail. The very first option will be protonmail.com. Click on it. Once you click on it, at the right hand side you will find an option to click on sign up, and it is for free. There will be four options: free, plus and visionary. So you need to click on the free version and select free plan. Once you click on it, it will ask you to enter the username. Make sure you choose the unique number. Then type the password. Once you enter the password, enter your recovery email. Recovery email is very important. So let's say if you forget the password or anything, then you need to, you can recover, there would be a password sent to your email to recover it. So it's very important. If you have it, please enter the recovery email. Now once you do that, click on create account. It will ask for human captcha. Click on the check mark, I am not a robot, and then click on complete setup. Now once you do that, it will start creating the account and setting up your mail to the server. Here you can enter the display name. So you can type your name here and then just click on finish. Once you do that, you will have the window like this. From here you can check your email, you can compose, and it is an encrypted email, and the server is actually saved in the Switzerland. So it's one of the fastest and I would say safest email provider which you can. If you think this video is helpful for you, please do subscribe my channel for latest updates. Have a wonderful day ahead. Take care.